Most people talk to AI like they're asking a favor. Can you help me write this? Please create an outline. Could you maybe generate ideas? And polite prompts get polite results. Soft, vague, surface level. If you want AI to perform like a strategist, a partner, and a thinker, you must direct it, not ask it. You give instructions, assign roles, define expectations, and steer the output. AI doesn't need permission. It needs clarity. So here's how to become a director instead of a request maker. And if you learn this skill today, you will instantly outperform 90% of AI users. 1. Stop asking, start assigning. Weak prompt: can you help me write a script about AI? Direct version: you are a senior YouTube scriptwriter. Write a 3-minute script that teaches beginners how to use AI. Use a confident tone, punchy structure, and end with a clear call to action. One is a question. The other is a command with identity, tone, format, output, and direction. 2. Tell AI who it is and what its job is. First, AI performs the role you assign. If you don't assign one, it defaults to generic. Examples: Role plus. Task prompts: you are my business strategist. Build me a content plan for 30 days targeting creators who want to use AI to make money. You are my marketing copywriter. Write 5 short, punchy hooks for a TikTok video about LLMs. You are my executive assistant. Summarize this meeting into bullet points with deadlines and owners. Role-power. Identity. Focus. Clarity-stronger output. 3. Break large tasks into steps, not one big ask. Bad prompt: write me a business plan. Direct effective workflow. Generate 10 business ideas using AI and digital products. Expand idea number 3 into a full model with target audience. Create a 5-step go-to-market plan. Now write a 1-page business plan summary. You build with the model instead of dumping everything at once. 4. Make AI think step by step. Most people get flat answers because they never ask the model to think. Add these commands. Walk through your reasoning step by step before answering. Explain 3 solutions and recommend the best one with logic. Evaluate pros and cons, then give your final choice. Clarity replaces guesswork. 5. Speak instead of typing. Use the microphone feature. You don't need to write huge prompts anymore. Tap the mic. Dictate your instructions. Speak naturally. Example: open a new chat. Tap mic. Say, you are my workflow designer. I want to automate my weekly video creation. Build me a step-by-step system. List the tools I need, and tell me what to outsource versus automate. Verbal prompts feel human, and in most cases, AI responds with more depth and nuance. 6. Refine like you're editing a human teammate. Don't accept the first draft. Give feedback like this: shorter, sharper, more direct. Rewrite using TikTok tone with higher energy. Expand section 2 and add statistics. Replace generic wording with bold, confident statements. More depth in part 5, less fluff. Keep it tight. You train the model to match your thinking. Massive prompt library. Copy-paste these, identity plus role assignments. You are my research analyst. Summarize this article into insights, trends, and predictions. You are my video coach. Rewrite this script with more punch, pacing, and stronger hooks. You are my negotiator. Rewrite my email to be firm, confident, and non-emotional. Strategic thinking prompts. Think step by step and show your reasoning before giving a final answer. Give me 3 ideas, rank them, and tell me which one is strongest and why. Challenge my ideas and point out flaws or gaps in my plan. Output format prompts. Turn this into bullet points for high-speed reading. Rewrite this into a carousel format for Instagram. Convert this into a lesson I could teach in 60 seconds. Tone and style directives. Rewrite using Gen Z tone. Punchy, confident, fast. Make it sound expert level, but beginner-friendly. Increase clarity. Remove filler. Keep power words. Voice dictation prompts. Build me a 10-step plan using workflow automation. Create a video script teaching beginners how to make money using AI. Rewrite my copy to be more persuasive and more human. Use these daily. You will feel the shift immediately.